Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everybody. So today we are going to start another topic that is from mathematics syllabus D book 3, and the topic is topic number 5 from book 3. Basically it's applications of mathematics and some practical solution which is based on percentage, simple percentage, and under the simple percentage rules. By considering this topic, we will discuss about few things which are just highlighted right here in front of you now. In this topic we will discuss about profit and loss, discount, taxation, and commission, interest. Basically two types of interest we will discuss in this topic, and that is simple interest and compound interest. Then the next subtopic for this unit is hire purchase and money exchange. So very first, if I talk about profit and loss, profit and loss is based on the purchase or sale of products. I mean, if different types of products are being sold or purchased, so profit and loss is based on what? If I just simply talk about the profit is amount which is based on the amount of sale price negative or subtraction the cost price. If you subtract cost price from the sale price, you will find your profit. It means if your cost price, mean the price on which you buy a particular product, if your cost price is less than is lower than your sale price, mean you buy any product on a cheap rate and sold that object on some higher rate, your sale price is more than your cost price, so we'll say you are going to earn some profit. If sale price is more than the cost price, so we are going to achieve some type of profits. So then for profit further, we can talk about profit percentage. Profit percentage profit percentage is based on the amount of profit and divided by the cost price. This profit percentage is based on the amount of the cost price which is being paid against any particular object. As we are calculating percentage for particular topic, so we need to multiply that fraction by 100. For example, if you buy any product, the cost price for that particular product, if we just take an example, the cost price for that particular product is $100, whereas you sold that product in $120. That's mean your sale price over here is more than your cost price, so you are having some profit over here. And what is the amount of profit? As we know from the starting formula, profit based on two things: just sale price, amount of sale price which is $120, negative the amount of cost price which is being paid against that product, which is $100. So that's mean the amount of profit, the pure amount of profit is $20. That is the profit amount. But if we talk about profit percentage, by considering the second formula of profit percentage, so profit percentage is based on amount of profit, and amount of profit is $20, and the amount which they paid, which a vendor with a person who deal with those objects, the cost price for that particular item is $100, and the percentage, as we need to convert that one into percentage, so we are supposed to multiply with 100. So this, if we solve that fraction, the amount which we'll get, this 100 will be skipped with 100, so we have left 20. It's percentage now, the profit percentage is 20% for that particular object. And this is how we will talk about amount of profit or the profit percentage. But somehow, by utilizing the profit percentage formula, If we just talk about the question, you are given some profit percentage. They said profit percent is 25%. You got the profit percentage, that is 25%, whereas the sale price, you're also given sale price was $75, and you're being asked to calculate amount of cost price, that how much was the cost price if the selling price of a particular product is $75 and you get 25% profit on that product. So for this one, I'm going to utilize the very basic, very first formula which we just write at the beginning, that was profit, amount of profit. Mean amount of profit was equal to sale price negative cost price. I'm just going to utilize the same formula to calculate that one. Mean profit, as we have been discussed already, profit based on what? Profit based on your cost price. Its profit is 25%. So this 25% of which value? 25% of your cost price, which we don't know. So if I just simply assume your cost price is X, so what will be the 25%? It means 25% of X is equal, sale price was given to us, which is $75, negative cost price, which we just suppose it's X dollar. If we solve this equation, 25% of X, 25% of X means what? Is 0.25X. 0.25X is 25% of X is equal is $75, negative X mean it's 1X. If we solve this equation for X, because X over here is indicating the cost price, if we solve this equation for X, for variable X, we'll get the cost price of that particular product. And similarly, over here we were given percentage, profit percentage and the sale price. If you are given profit percentage and the cost price, then you need to find the sale price. So simply there would be two ways to calculate that one. Mean if this cost price is given and profit percentage is given, so we'll simply calculate profit percentage according to the given cost price. Mean the particular percentage of profit with respect to the cost price, and the cost price and profit, both the amounts will be added. Mean cost price plus profit, that is equal to your amount of sale. Mean this formula which we just write in the beginning, that can be twisted. Mean your sale price is based on profit and cost price. Mean cost price is switches to the other side, so profit plus cost price is equal to your sale price. Mean that is the basic formula, and we can convert or we can utilize this formula in different ways to finding out whether the sale price or the cost price or the profit percentage for the numbers. So this portion, this thing, it was about the simply profit or profit percentage. So next, after the profit, we will talk about the loss. It's a very issue. I'm just gonna give a very short description for the loss. I mean that was about profit or profit percentage. So loss, just like profit or profit percentage, there is not a big difference between loss or the loss percentage. So loss is based on what? I mean how much loss you're gonna have. Again, loss is based on two things, and what those two things are: if the cost price is higher than your selling price, means you buy a product in a higher price and sell that one on a lower price. So the difference between cost price and the sale price will be your loss. And similarly, the loss percentage is basically about the amount of loss by cost price time 100. Basically the formula for the loss and the cost, loss and the profit is same, just the variation in profit, we have higher selling price comparatively to the cost price, and in loss we have higher cost price comparatively to the sale price. So this is how we can calculate the value of the profit or particular amount of profit. So thank you so much with this topic.